Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the memory module, unlatch and remove the system's base cover. Then unlatch and remove the front bezel from the system. Find the front panel and flip it over. Identify and unlatch the memory module. Grasp the edges to remove the module from the system. To reinstall the memory module, place it back in the system and relatch it. Flip the front panel over and secure the front bezel and base cover on the device. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.